All right, from the Paragayo, here's a look around. I think this little restaurant right here is pretty good. And when I was here before, there was a restaurant and bar right here. Looks like it's closed down. And we got a Dunkin' Donuts next door and a Vino. So we're gonna go find some lunch. What you do, you gotta walk down this little road right here. You'll be going towards the beach. So try to get across the road here without getting run over. Then next door, Paragayo restaurant. We may try that place out too. But right now, we're going to check out the beach. It's been raining for days. And finally got some palm trees, coconuts, and sunshine. So and that's a pizza place. No pizza. But this is a little corner right here. This is a little busy corner spot. That's why I say that the Paragayo is in a great place. Got the police here patrolling, and got a Western Union place. Oh, there's To Go Express too. So I can book some tickets there. And this is like the little, I don't want to say the main drag, but I guess really it is the main drag. There's a bank right here with some ATM machines, which a lot of times are offline. It's just the way it is. And then you got this little restaurant right here, Hidden Dream Grill and Restaurant with some combo meals. If you want some beach gear, this little place right here has got some bathing suits and stuff for sale. And that place is called One for the Road. There's a little sorry store. Looks like they got beer and liquor in that spot right there too. Folks, I'm just happy that today I got some sunshine. And here's a little place right here. Got some chicken adobo. All right, and I'm gonna hit this later. But we got some chicken right here on the grill. I don't know if you can see that in there. It's in the glass, but got the grill going on. This is a Jazz Bar and Restaurant, and they have some combo meals too. But right now I'm interested in going towards the beach. What do we got here? Ooh, Outback Bar and Grill. Now this place looks interesting. Let's go check out and you got a girl in a cowboy hat? My goodness. Where'd you get that cowboy hat, girl? Looks so beautiful. What do we got right here?
There's also that special certificate for only the trade name.
Is today Friday?
Yes.
Okay, so we got a buy one, take one every Friday.
Yes, start 7 p.m. until 10 p.m. Then we have also happy hour beer for now for only 50 per bottle.
Okay, it's happy hours right now?
Happy hour beer for only 50 per bottle.
For 50 pesos per bottle?
Yes.
All right, and this is the Outback Bar and Grill. Let me see that menu. Let me see the drink menu first here. All right, so let's look at Pale Pilsen's 80.
Yes, this all beer have 50.
They're 50 right now.
Yeah.
Okay, 50 on happy hour. And what's the hours?
Start now until 7 p.m. Then 7 p.m. start the buy one take one beer.
Okay. All right, so they got some good specials here at Outback Bar and Grill, people.
We have also one special ticket for only go for 9.
Okay, hold on. The lunch special is a 3-course for $2.49.
Yes, sir.
All right, so we got some good deals here, and there's some customers in there, so we may actually eat lunch here. Got an island burger. Okay, I'm kind of digging this Philly cheesesteak hot dog. Okay, we may be coming back here, but I want to go walk to the beach first. All right, listen. I love that cowboy hat. That's beautiful. Thanks for the information. Yeah, when we come back, okay? Thank you. All right, this place is Club, I don't know. I don't remember this place. Club Mia's? I don't know. But folks, I'm gonna tell you, this little Outback place, the Outback Bar and Grill, they have, I just realized they have shisha. They've got shisha. I mean, that's the place right there. That place is on time. Now we got this little La Vida here. They got shisha too. All right, I'm digging this shisha scene. All right, what is this? Checkpoint Resto Bar. Okay, so they got some pasta here. All right, I'm gonna have to try some pasta, and it looks like they got a little promotion on some booze. Alona King noodles. And what would a place be? It wouldn't be complete without a Korean restaurant. Korean restaurant. All right, and this is the Alona Q White Beach Resort. So if you really want to be in the thick of things here at Alona Beach, that place right there is in the thick of it. A little cafe and bar out in front of the hotel. All right, here's something important, laundry service. The laundry service is $70 per kilo in 2 days. You can get it back in 24 hours for $90, $120 in 12, or if you want it in 6 hours, $150 per kilo right here. This little beachwear shop. They got a laundry service. Pretty cool too. They got beach gear, and if you need a dry bag too, that's always important. A lot of people forget that when they're coming to the Philippines because it rains all the time. Hello, how are you? You okay? All right, look at this, fresh fruit.
Yeah, and Philippines is good.
Yeah, the Philippines is wonderful. Let me just take a look here at these prices. What do we got here? Look at that, folks. Fruit shake, got a ripe mango, large for $120. You can't beat that. Got 95 on a mojito. All right, we may have to come back here.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. And right next door is this young lady here selling fresh fruit, period. So we got some pears for 30 pesos each. We got sweet mangoes. Is that 100 for a half kilo? Yeah, 100 for a half kilo. And 25 pesos on an apple. And got pineapple up there. How much for the pineapple? 60? 60 per kilo? All right, so 60 per kilo on the pineapple right there. All right, right next door is a Kmart. I suppose that's, yeah, Korean Mart. Little ice cream shack over there. Now what do we got here? Got a little sandwich shop. 100 pesos for a sandwich.
Hello, sandwich, sir.
Hello, what kind of sandwiches do you have?
Ham, cheese, and vegetables.
Got ham, cheese, and vegetable for 100 pesos? Okay. All right, well, we'll check it out. I just got here, but I'm gonna be here for a while,
We
so.
also have hot dog.
You got a hot dog? How much today?
150.
115? 150. 150?
100, yes.
Okay, so 150 for the hot dog and 100 for the sandwich. All right, thank you, ladies.
Welcome.
All right, what is this? Looks like a Korean seafood restaurant. Little travel agency. Coco Travel and Tours. Looks like some dive gear in there. Maybe rent motorbikes. I don't know. Okay, what is this right here? This is the Casa Nino Beach Resort. Another place right in the middle of things. And this looks like the beach rock. It's a little beach shop. So you can get hats in here, little blow up toys for the kids. They got sandals. All right, so if you need some beach gear, that's an option right there. It's a dive shop. Yep, Mr. Diver. So if you're a diver, come right here. They get, hello, how are you? Little dive shop. Here's a Hungry Monkey. Hungry Monkey snack bar. And it looks like, hello, how are you? We got a cheeseburger for $165 and shakes and ice cream. Folks, that's some good food options here in Alona Beach. No thank you, my friend. All right, ladies, here's a salon and spa. Duchess Salon and Spa. And you got some parking here. You can park your motorbike here, $100 an hour or $500 an hour for the tricycle. Inbox, bed and bath. Got a little liquor store in there, a little mini mart. Okay. All right, here's a money exchanger right here. Looks like it's open. Right now, 50.65 on the US dollar. All right. And it looks like they're building something over here. I'm not sure what that is, but it wasn't here last time I was here. So we got a little action going on. And here's another dive shop. This is Aqua Venture White Tip Dive Supply. So several little dive shops right here. Got some fresh fruit shakes. And here's a souvenir shop right down by the beach. Jubel souvenir shops. You want seashells, necklaces, all that stuff. You can either buy it right here or just walk on the beach and let the little beach vendors try to sell you something. Okay, another dive shop. This is called Go Scuba. And again, it's right here on the beach. And this is looking over to the right. Took a walk over there later, but right now we're gonna go left. No thank you, my friend. And folks, we have sunshine today. Oh my goodness, it has been raining. It has been so miserable in Cebu City. I was just ready to get the hell out of there.